Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at the BBY on the weekly time frame. If you are long this stock, I would start protecting it. And the reason why, I'm looking at this upper trend line. We have a 750 retrace, and we're into this high pivot and almost into the $40 even number. So we have a lot of resistance up in this area. Let's take a quick look at the monthly. Yeah, monthly, we're above there. We got that pivot. We got that pivot. Daily, same thing. We're in that trend line. We're in these upper pivots. So yeah, so the weekly you can see a little bit clearer. But look at the symmetry in this chart. Love this stuff. Look at that. Boom, comes back in. Boom, into it again. Now you have a couple reasons to possibly take profits, lock them in. If it goes up a little bit more, you're going to have more resistance here and then more resistance at 45. If you want to short this thing, you could do it here, but do a half position. Be willing to add more around 42 and be willing to add more around 45. Use a stop out above this with confirmation and you're out. So you want to go half, quarter, or half, and then if it gets up into the 45, add the other half, and then hopefully it pulls back. But at this point, I think we could get a possible pullback on this stock. If we get a gap down tomorrow and this one gaps up, be prepared for a fade. But again, great resistance in this chart, and check this out. Right here we have good symmetry, but look where this trend line comes from. Comes from 2006 high pivot, and you can actually go to the high pivot here. Comes all the way through right into that again. You can't make this stuff up, and that's why I follow technicals. And actually, you're in an inside bar trying to make it up. And, if we get above here, then you got to rethink the short or add short. If you're long, you definitely have to lock in your profits and put in that stop. If these markets bomb, this is going straight down with the rest of them. And then you're looking at, it could possibly pull back at least to 36. I mean, I'm just looking at the retraces. 33, 30.78 is the big 618. And then you have these low pivots around 29 bucks. But right here is a great area to short. If you're long, protect it. Again, John at StockBookie.com. Hopefully this helps some of you. Big resistance up in this area. Thanks for watching my video. God bless. See you on the charts.